Hi, Ken Coffee here. So we had this rocket espresso machine. So what we did here, we had a chance to troubleshoot it. We couldn't build up any pressure. So we found out that this water line filter was bad. We replaced it. See, it's full with dirt. And also the filter on the end of the water over here, the water one. Did that. Already built some coffee, foamed some milk in the previous shot. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour a shot and I'm going to show you how to make awesome coffee with your machine. You also can see the gauge. I'm going to go up to 9 or 10 bars. See that? So it means we're extracting really good coffee. We're gonna get great crema. Gonna zoom out real quick. All right. Well, let's see. So we made some milk in the previous shot. You can see crema top coffee, 9 bars. Looks great and tastes great. So let's give it a shot. There you go. Professional latte from your espresso machine. So thank you for choosing Canaan Coffee. And have a good day.